This is the whistling sound I'm trying to figure out where it's coming from. Might not be able to hear over the sound of the fan. It's especially noticeable like right off idle.